Hello everyone, it's Andrew from Galileosky. In our previous video, we showed you how to create data in scripting language. Now, let's see how we can use this data in built-in and custom-made functions. You already know some existing functions from the previous videos. Functions tagWriteValue and getVar, for example, which are set in the firmware and are called with certain variables, from which the values are transferred into the function when needed. In the scripting language description, many functions are shown. We'll use the majority of them in real examples. One of the simplest functions in the firmware is diagnostics, which is similar with diagnostic message block in the algorithm actions. The syntax is the following. We open parentheses, then open inverted commas and write the message text inside both of those, pointing at places where we want to see variable values shown. After that, inside parentheses, we write variables one by one, divided by commas, in the same order they appear in the message. Custom functions are described outside the main function, as in C languages, but in a more simple way. We need only to set the function name and, in the parentheses, variables in which transfer data will be written. Let's look at a specific example. We'll create a function to add two elements together. We'll call it numberSum. As arguments from the function side, we'll write variables data into A and B. Pay attention that when you are setting variables to store transferred data, you don't need to use the new operator. Inside, we create a local variable, sum, and record the result of adding A to B into it. Then, we return the value of this variable from the function using operator return. All we need to do now is to create two variables in main function, for example, first and second, or simply transfer raw numbers into the function, and create a variable to store the result of the function. We can show the result in the troubleshooting using diagnostics function. Basically, that's how the functions work in Easy Logic scripts. In our next video, we'll learn how to send and receive CAN messages using scripting language.